John McCain. I'm from Nolensville, Tennessee. I'm taking the trip for camaraderie to help raise money for the cause and to have a good time. With enthusiasm.
My name is McLeod. I'm from Tulsa, Oklahoma. I'm taking the trip to spend time with my grandfather and my uncle and have the adventure of a lifetime.
Carl Haas, Bowling Green, Kentucky. This is my second trip up to Alaska, and always enjoy going with Dr. Mike. It's a good cause. We're raising awareness for children that are born deaf, and this is one way how we can raise some money. If you're interested in contributing, go to www.alaskabikeRun.com, and there's information there how you can sponsor each one of us riders. There's 15 of them this year. And there again, it's a good cause. So north to Alaska with enthusiasm.